On behalf of the organizing team, it is my great pleasure to welcome everyone to the STEM Education Leadership for Change program and the Training of Trainers workshop here at the Faculty of Education of Chulalongkorn University.
The Faculty of Education at Chulalongkorn University is profoundly honored to host this Training of Trainers workshop. We do not simply view ourselves as a venue provide today. We stand with you as a strategic partner in the systematic transformation.
This program built on the expertise and proven practices of the Southeast Asian Teacher Education Program, or as we call the nickname as CTEP, which show that the real instructional improvement is possible through well-designed intervention.
Today, we face the releases of KISA competency framework. Students must think critically, navigate a digital world, and tackle complex challenges like climate change.
I think it's extremely important to get nations working together around important problems to show how we can educate our children, because hopefully that might lead to peace in the future. Education can be the vehicle to bring that about. So having 5 different countries in there working together, I think it's just wonderful.
Senior Summit, we believe education must be the engine of transformation. I believe that with our shared passions, we can work with the system and be able to engage them in the change that we would like to see.
I would hope that next year the various countries will share with each other what they've learned and can help them modify their models even to be better than they are. They still may be somewhat different from each other, and I think they probably will be, but there'll be models, exemplary models that other countries can use, but we also will learn from each other to build our models even better. That's why I think it's so very important to have the 5 different countries involved in this.